In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change invoice currency in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Billing. This will open the billing tools for your account, including subscriptions, customers, and invoices. Next, select Invoices. This will take you to the section where you can view existing invoices and create new ones. If you want to start a brand new invoice, click Create Invoice. If you already have a draft invoice that you want to update, open that draft instead. Either option will bring you to the invoice editor. Once you are inside the invoice, choose the customer for that invoice, if one has not already been selected. After the customer is set, look for the currency field in the invoice details. This is the setting that controls which currency the invoice will use. Click the Currency drop-down menu. You will see a list of available currencies supported for that invoice. Select the currency you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Stripe will update the invoice to reflect that currency setting. After that, add your invoice items if you are creating a new invoice. If you opened an existing draft, review the current items to make sure everything still looks correct after changing the currency. It is a good idea to confirm prices, quantities, and any taxes or discounts that may apply. Now check the invoice totals. Make sure the subtotal, total amount due, and any other displayed amounts are shown in the currency you selected. This is an important final review step before sending the invoice out. When everything looks correct, click Review Invoice. This gives you a final preview of how the invoice will appear. If you are satisfied with the details, click Finalize and Send. Stripe will then prepare the invoice and send it using the currency you selected. That is the full process for changing invoice currency in Stripe. Open the invoice, choose the customer, update the currency field, review the totals, and then finalize and send when you are ready. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.